It's really interesting, Austin, when you talk about this data kind of feeding back into the loop, right? I mean, we start to have prompt driving the development of an application, the
Mhm.
reaction to that application then being analyzed by the LM to improve it. And pretty quickly you start to imagine these like virtuous or terrifying cycles, however you want to think of them, as as we create things, they're interacted with by humans and LLMs. And then the LLMs themselves are seeing how they like using it, how people like
Mhm.
using it, only to then improve it. It's really interesting. It's really kind of exciting. Are you starting to try to use that yourself? I mean, you're a single, you're a founder on your own, you're building a
Yeah.
product. So are you implementing
Yeah.
this for what you're doing on a day-to-day? I mean, how much of what you're building are you developing with a coding assistant? How much are you
Yeah.
using your own analytics to sort of monitor your, kind of dog fooding this? I'm just curious if you're realizing this yourself or if you're just kind of imagining that this is coming,
Like,
but you're not quite there.
so I think we're on the verge of it. So there are some areas where I've already implemented a lot of this automation, essentially. I have MCP servers set up that start by picking off tickets from my linear task board, implementing the functionality, pushing it out to a staging environment. Q&A is all just set up through screenshots of the application and testing the databases. And so I have all of this process set up. So the software cycle is very largely hands off. Like, obviously, I still have to get technical sometimes because the LLMs aren't perfect, but I can do 5x the amount of work as I used to as an engineer from a few years ago. And I think on the product side, what I do today is for all of the user interviews that I have, I always gather written notes as well as recorded, like transcribed notes. And then I can actually like gather those into a place and then ask the agent to pull out the trends and features that they see as a common pattern across the different user discussions I have. And so to that extent, it is building these autonomous workflows that solve different parts of the business. And so it's really exciting to be able to build a business as a solo developer today and just see how far we can go as a single enterprise.